morning, YouTubers again. Alright, we're going to look at the BMW E70. Alright, what we did here, we go right here. We're going to use Winkfpt and we go right here on the EGS folder. Right click that. We make sure that we set the interface IP address to be the same here, 169.254.21.70 right here, and we change the port to 6801. Then we scroll all the way up, and then we make sure that the interface that we're working with is remote, because we're going to use i2 radars and lock it like this. Click reserve, and there's it reserves. So we're going to now run we can download that, close that. We're going to run Winkfpt, or first of all we run info, and let us see if we see battery voltage. Okay, battery is on and ignition is on, and whenever you don't see the other entries right here, it simply means that this info want to be updated. Alright, so we go on Winkfpt, and there it is. It highlight the interface as remote, and we just take this out the corner here and put it here. And when we go, we will see we can let me see if we can import, you know, the assembly line data, but we gonna do it this way. Let me pause. Alright people, so we finished with the car. So what we do is we click put the mark over there, and then you see that the serial number will be that. But anyway, we can click on that, and we can do, well, this is a E70, so we, alright, it's a VGSG. Alright, it's called VGSG, or the variant VGSG. Okay, VGSG, address 19, array number 14, and the serial number would be 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 7 4 8. I don't know, but let me try to see if it works. I fully don't know, so we have 0 7 4 8. Okay, so oh, that's more than 7 right there. You have 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. Oh really? Seven, 4 8. Oh, the part number is blocked out. That's not what I want. I don't want that number there. I wanted the one that is we click on operation report right there, and there's it number right here on address 19, the VGSG is the VTG E70, and there's the real part number. Alright, so it's a 756 9969, right? Am I correct? Yeah, 756 9969. Cool. Let me save a copy of this operation report, because all of these things are necessary. Alright, the name, the result. IO must mean input output. No input output, no input output. See that? There's no response from these and these. Okay? I don't know, man. I just want to try to use Winkfpt and Flash. The thing, these right here, unknown, NIO, new is no input output. I don't know, maybe that's what I mean, I'm assuming. And yeah, the lift gate module, the HAM, automatic height module, or automatic lift gate module, these are in that as well. So I don't know, those are in the red, man. Alright, let me pause it. Right here we go back to i2 radar, and we click reserve, and then we minimize that. Then Winkfpt is already running, so what we do now, we just minimize this. We can import vehicle ID. Let me try it for a piece of one. Now you want to do this configuration, go here. Oh sorry, this one. Let me set up this one first. Show programming voltage. We're gonna direct this to the C drive. We're gonna direct this to the NFS folder. Alright, and then we look at UAF write in comfort mode is activated. It said yes. And then user info field right after data and after program. Alright, so we click OK. Yes. Yes. Cool, and then we import assembly line data for the E89 chassis group. Assembly line data will be the data folder for. But usually we can go into we can go here. This is it right here. This is what we need. This folder we need right here. And then we copy that. And then we place that into we can place this right here into the NFS folder in EC apps. We go here. Then we go here. And then we paste everything here. Paste that right there. That's all we need, right? And then the GDate folder. We can close this box. We don't need that because we're manually importing the thing. The GDate folder here, usually it usually be in G. Come on, EFG. Here's it. We copy this and we put it right here. It's gonna overwrite that. Okay, and the develop folder, all these folders can stay put right there. All right. Usually we leave those files at that, and the sg.files we are gonna now copy it over the sg.files. By going back, we go right here. Matter of fact, we can copy the whole. We'll just copy this. Everybody, Control A, highlight everything, and Control C, copy. We go over here, and then we press Control V to paste. And we're gonna need that for the selection, okay? And the part numbers is pulled up. So the ECU folders, all right? We can copy these into the EWS folder, which would be this one here. All right. I mean, there's basically 32 items here. All right. We can actually copy all of these. Control A, Control C, copy, and then Control V, paste. And then any other copies it found on it, we're gonna come up with it like this, and then we click let us decide. We click that, and then we check out both files to be saved there. We want all of them, we want the old one and the new one. As you can see, that one is from 2007, this one here, and this one is 2019, okay? But they appear to have the same bytes. All right, and then we finish with that. Then we go back here, and so on. We're gonna want to code also the unit when we finish, so we go to NCS Expert right here, and we go into the work folder, and we copy this work folder details, and we put it here. Control V, paste. And what we're gonna do now, we're gonna create our .man file. Oh, wait a minute, look like I copied the wrong one here. Oh yeah, we can create a the file that is not here is there's another file that's supposed to be here. That is called we can also copy these sg.file here, and we can go here. The copy is the same thing. Copy, Control with that, and then Control V, paste. sg.files, and all of them is copied over. And then what we do now, we can go to Dayton here, and then we try to copy the Dayton for NCS Expert, and then we do like this, and that Control C, and then Control V, and then that's it. And we copy those over that side of things, and then we don't interfere with this config. This is config it wrong with the with NCS Expert. We don't interfere with these. It runs all together with that. So and there's a way too we can test if this thing works. We can actually click on that. We can actually go here, binary. We can click this one, and then we will try to see if we can load a profile, then say default profile. We're gonna try, but this one is in English, no problem. E70, let us see if it read out the car. Alright, there's more file to be there, say chassis faulty. So that it's not set up fully properly. So what we do here, we go back. And then we go back here. This is the base directory of what we want this to do. So we can minimize this for now. We can minimize this, and we can also go in oh, I did not update IMPA. Okay, I'm gonna update IMPA now with these sg.files, and we go right here, Control A, highlight everything, and then Control C, copy everything. Then I click in the white here, and then I press Control V to paste, and then that's it. All right, and then we're gonna do the same thing for all right, those files are okay. Those files are not the same. We can also go here and change up certain things. Hi. What are your mother? Yes, of course, yeah. Yeah, you can pause. Yeah. No, I'm not buy it yet. I'm not buy it. I'm a laptop, Mr. Ladies. Dash English. DEUTH, we can remove this. And we can put that there and push that out to the side. We'll call it English. We'll change the variant, alright? And the title here, we can put for it Probus BMW. Alright, so we set up that. If it works, it works. It don't work, it doesn't work. No big deal. Okay, let us see if we could run it and look if the name changes, if the name comes up on it. Here it goes, Impa Probus BMW. But nevertheless, it want to update everything. SG that English med files will be here, but it's not there. So these configuration that files, they needed I think I didn't set up this thing fully for them. Binary. Alright, this is the info for the F series. Let me see if I can run it. Let me see if it runs. Oh, it does run. Okay, let us read out the car he has here. He has an E70. We click Shift key to change over the buttons. And then let us see if we'll be able to talk to the car. Alright, let us see if we can read out the AI field. User info field, and there is the VTG. Where is it? I'm looking for the VTG, man. Oh, here's it. VGSG address 19, and here's it. The VIN number is not seen right here. Okay, it's all in triple Y's, all 7 Y's right here, and the part number right here is 7569969. We're gonna save a copy of this one, Drucker. And then we're gonna locate a folder for this, and we're gonna save info user field, user field, blah blah blah. Alrighty, then we save that, and then we look at for these different models. See that the VIN number in the DME is different. See that? That is why I say the DME is not coded, and that is why I tell Probus that I know when something is not right with the BMW. See that? You have the EGS is different VIN number, and also the DME different VIN number. Alright, let me pause the video for now and talk to him. Okay, you see that? The VIN number in the JBFF is correct. And the VIN number in the DME or the DDE on channel or address 12 It is CT13770 is wrong, and then also the EGS. All these are swap control units. This VIN number in EGS here is BZ47907, and also well, the other ones in Y's, these probably need to be reflashed by Winkfpt or Easterby. All right, nevertheless, I'm going to end this simple stuff right here. All right, we end that. We're gonna try to click on comfort mode now. We're gonna update ZB number, and that is it here, address 19. There's it. We're gonna find that, and we're gonna copy the VIN number here. And we're going to enter the VIN. Control V, paste, and then we're going to click done. The file that he took is for the IPO is this one, 01vgsg.ipo, and that file can be found here. Type it in 01 VGS, and here's it right here. That's the file it chooses. Okay, so everybody can see that, and then we click done. Then we're gonna try click program ZB update, and let us wait and see what's gonna come on to it. Okay, 7569969 is the part number. So he said yes, it's correct. Oh, there's a problem here. He said that xxconfig.da2 sg family. He say that it's not found. ZB number is not found in this one here. Assembly identification number not found. The file is determined by this one here. Okay, so error, parameter erroneous. All right, no big deal. All right, we're gonna fix this problem. Pause the video for now. Okay, we are flashing the VTG control unit now, but the vehicle identification number 760 6629 is the one that's gonna be like this one. So we're working with that. It's no flashing. This part number here didn't work. It's not founded in the control unit family. I'm gonna show others what I did to get this to go through. All right, just wait and see. DGSG 70. We're going to talk about update ZB number. Oh, not responding. Wow, the computer freeze. He's touching something. All right, the computer can program one time. The user interface can still be programmed one time. All right, it's going to go through. It's not finished yet. It's programming now. Oh, damn, that done quick. Okay, program is okay and the VTG is communicate. Okay, YouTubers, what I've done, what I did, let me show you. Let me close the program. All right, I click Winkfpt, but remember first to lock it with I2 radars, and remember what you have to follow in the beginning of the program. Then I click here, first comfort mode. What I did first, I click enter ZB, and then the control unit was here, so I choose that and so on. All right, then it chose out this file for me, but when I finally enter the VIN, you know, it comes up with an error, and if I click done and I click program update number, let us see if it's gonna come up with okay, it find a new part. Okay, this part number has been written to it a little while ago, 760 6629. So maybe it's gonna do it over again. Let us see if it's gonna do it over. Let us wait. That part number was not there before. The part number that was there before is this one here. This one I copied, 7569969. But when I click Program ZB Update, it doesn't accept it because it says that in the XX config file, that DA2 file, the control unit family for this part number is not there. Okay, so ZB Update Programming, okay. So what I did now, I go here, Comfort Mode, and then I click Enter ZB number, and then when I enter the ZB number, okay, well, I didn't do that. Wait, let me close this program. And run it once again. Let me show you what I did, what worked this time. I don't know what changed, but I click Comfort Mode, and then I click choose ZB number. That's what I choose, and I see this part number showed up right here out of the VGSG70 folder that I put right here. This is it right here. Okay. So that's what I did, and then I borrowed a copy of these files. All these files are in it. All these files are within this because I copied this from ISTA-P. The ISTA-P would be right here. This is where I copied all of this from. I copied it from your data, and I find it. We go report VGSG. Come on, where are you? Show your face. It should be somewhere here, man. Alright, it should be somewhere in the E70 data folder VGSG. Here's it right here. This one. I copied this. I copy all of these files right here. All of them, all 6 of them. And as you can see, all 6 of them is here. I copy the whole folder. I copy all the folder like this from ISTA-P. Copy this and paste it right here. And then this config temp, I copy this all the way from my ISTA-P here and my laptop. I copied this one here from this, and then I pasted. I copied the whole thing, and then I paste it over here like this. This is the original config temp. It has some kind of error with it, where this file here, kf config f10, all right, that da2, it has an error. All right, when I use this one. So what I did now, I rename it and call it original that, and I make sure I allow only this one that copied from my laptop that has these files in it. I put it on it, so and so on. That's what I did, and somehow the damn thing somehow works. All right, so that's what I did, and that's how I come up with this part number. The part number here can be looked at. I think we can see the part number here in history, somewhere. The part number can be looked at here. I think you can find the order number right here. 760. Okay. Alright. Seems like we're not reading anything here. We're not reading. All of this is null. Notepad need to be updated. Or let me see if I can update this piece of crap. I don't know where you run that up there from. Let me close Notepad++. No. Alright, let me right click again. Open Notepad++. It should come up with a dialog box for update. But I do not know where we click it and update it from. I don't know. Notepad++. I don't know it's the reason why I can't read these files here, but it should be able to read that file. If I right click here on this DAT file, it will be able to read that. You see, it's still giving me errors and so on, and that's why I don't like those kind of errors. So, if I click this one, it comes up with a bunch of stuff that says null, 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 and so on and so forth. Okay. So if I search for the if I search for the VGSG, if you search for it, Here's it right here. It tells you right here, this is the IPO file it located, and it find the 10 flash.prg file for you. See that? That's what it says it find for it right there. Okay, and it identify the control unit here as the VGSG70. All right. What we can look for here is the part number. I really don't know the control unit family tree. This is the control unit family tree. All right. Somehow, this is the one that we run the other day. This is the one that we read out. This is the one that I copied from my laptop. But the one that does not work would be this one here. I don't know the reason why, man, but I'm gonna look at this. And we're going to see if we can find the same thing here. It find it. Here's it right here. I just saw it. I just said, well, nevertheless, we get the job done, so no big deal. We get the job done, so all right, it's okay now, so we can minimize that. So that's what I did, and then it comes up and it picks out the right files. This is the part number here, and then I click, enter the VIN number. The VIN number would be that. All right, and then you click done. All right, we can read, go in special, click special, and then we can read the UIF field and see what the job is. And there is it. The VIN number is written in entry 2. See that? And this is entry 1, where this is the former state of the ECU, where it shows for no VIN in IMPA, and then Winkfpt picks up the same thing for the 7 Ys, meaning it's like why, where's the VIN? And this is the old assembly identification number, and then this one now is being overwritten by this late identification number. Okay, and you can see there the VIN is written to the VTG now. So the VTG, it should be able to work and so on. Okay, let me save this user info field into the folder. Sorry, save already, but I have to save as in order to make the directory open up and go to this, and then I go here and save that. It's a job done for this guy in Burkina Faso. All right, and all right, that is finished, so we can close out that. All right, and we can unreserve the icon. All right, and we also can actually run now yesterday. You can click on connection here. I do it this way because it's much quicker and faster. And we read out the car and we wait. The control module for the transfer box, the 4-wheel drive control box, is called VTG, and its variant is called VGSG. It was in the color blue in programming aboard, all right, which is called programming mode 12, but it's supposed to now be programmed and encoded successfully by Winkfpt with the VIN number written there. So it's supposed to be now either in green or in orange. If it has green, it is without fault codes, and if it is in orange or yellow, it has fault codes, but it still is okay. Once it was a programming aboard, it's okay. All right, so we pause video for now and we wait. Alright, there it goes. The VTG is in the color orange, meaning that it's now responding with fault codes, and then it is not in programming abort anymore. Okay? Okay. Boom. Yeah. Alright, Andrew. Yeah. Okay, Pro Boss Boy. Okay. You can see now that the FZD They are back online, and the rain light sensors and the sine wave sensors are back online. It's only the HAM, the liftgate module, is in red, and the CBX media is in red. Okay, so you have to check out those two control modules, power supply, and see what's going on. Okay, you can see that the VTG now is not no more in blue. It's out of programming abort, so you have to send some money to pay me, boy. Okay. Okay, Probos boy. Okay, you can see now that the FZD, they are back online, and the rain light sensors and the sine wave sensors are back online. It's only the HAM, the liftgate module, is in red, and the CBX media is in red. Okay, so you have to check out those two control modules, power supply, and see what's going on. Okay, you can see that the VTG now is not no more in blue. It's out of programming abort, so you have to send some money to pay me, boy. Okay. Okay, alright, let us display the fault codes and see. Oh, DME monitoring terminal 15 is on. The trailer module, sorry, the AHM is the trailer module. Sorry, it's not the liftgate module. No communication with it, so he has to fix this. On telephone also no communication. And they said there's no coding or faulty coding in the VTG. Okay, the VTG classification resistor is at fault, but I can now use Winkfpt and program all of that. Alright. Alright, let us save the fault code list for this task at hand. Oh gosh, come on, piece of shit. Shut. Fault codes. Oh yeah, I know, man. We know. Oh yeah, we know that. But then a party. All right, missing incorrect. DME EGS missing. Okay, all right, we're gonna try to. You said here, so the DME EGS missing incorrect, message incorrect. So therefore, no coding data or faulty coding classification. We get the VTG out of programming abort, so we're gonna try to see if we can actually use Winkfpt to do the rest. Okay. All right, let us shut off this bad daddy row. And then this is a control unit. Let me print a copy of the control unit for the VTG. Why on? Alright, we close out this program now, and we're gonna run Mr. Winkfpt. Close that out. We start up Mr. Winkfpt. Hear what Probos have to say.
No problem. For online programming, money, how much I need to pay you? Money, how much I need to pay you? Do this job now? No problem. Do. No problem. Do. No problem. No problem. For online programming, money, how much I need to pay you? Do this job now? No problem. Do. No problem. I will send you by paper later. Okay? No worry. No problem. After I will do now.
Okay, the firewall is on.
Do X5 now.
I turn off this firewall right here. This fucking firewall is fucking killing me. Alright, the best way to turn off the firewall permanently is going to group policy edit right here. I'm gonna turn off the firewall permanently, run as administrator. Alright, for anybody running Go here. I will go to administrative templates. And then we go to network. Then we go to Windows component. And then we click sidebar here. Am I doing the right thing? Should go to network. Oh no, I'm not at the right thing here. Let me go back. Windows security. Okay, that's not where I want to go. Firewall. Yes, this one. Firewall and network connection. No, hide. I don't want to hide that. Sorry. That's not where I want to go. To turn off this Windows system permanently at the firewall, we can go here. I think I just saw it, man. Right here. Ooh. Real protection. Let me click here. I'll see if the entry I'm looking for is here. Turn off real-time protection. Turn on behavior. Turn on. No. That's not what I wanted. That's not what I wanted. That's not what I wanted, man. It's just that I'm looking for network. Is network. Network provider. No, Windows components. Oh, network connection. There. That's what I'm looking for right here. Windows Defender. That's what I'm looking for. Domain profile. And then we go right here that states oh wow. This one right here. Protect all network. Oh, I disable it. But I disable it. I mean, damn. It said if you disable this policy setting, Windows Firewall does not run. Oh yeah, but it's already that way. Okay, but it showed that the firewall is still active. I did that a long time ago, so I have to go right here and check if it's okay. Check the firewall status. Oh yes, it's off. But somehow here, it showed that firewall protection is on. It said no action needed. Okay, so off, everybody. Okay, cool. Because I did turn it off in group policy edit. Alright, cool, it's off. It was not interfering with it. Okay. So what we do now, we draw history at the top here. Click new, create new session, and then we go click. Woo! Alright, and then we run history now, and then we wait. I think it's about 35 minutes now. Roughly, it's about 38 minutes now when the
No problem. For online programming money, how much I need to pay you to this job now? No problem. No problem. I will send you by paper later. Okay? No worry. No problem. After I will check the fuse box and relay for Ink 6 X6 and let you know you do coding and programming for this car again. Do now X5. Do X5 now. No worry.
was control model replaced on the car? I mean, which one of them? I have to go back into the I have to go here, and I have to go here. I'll open up this one, and I have to go user info field. And I have to look at the user info field in the info that I read out, and I have to look for a different VIN number. The DME, I can't tell it that it was replaced because it's not a new DME. And I can't tell that EGS is replaced because it's not a new EGS, and so on. As you can see that, you know, the VIN numbers are different, and so on. And I don't know if Winkfpt will program the VIN numbers over in these two control modules because these are high security modules right here. Alright, and then we scroll down and we look for the VIN number. Alright, no big deal. So far we minimize this for now. Alright, we said no, we don't replace in the control module, and then we wait. So the vehicle order, central encode code, not be read from the vehicle, the selected model series group E70. This selection might have been incorrect. Alright, it's gonna come back up with the same sheet. If I click continue, it's gonna come back up with the same sheet. It said click continue to continue the session. In this case, an attempt is made to import the vehicle order. It said alternatively click end session to exit the session and start a new session with a correctly input model series. Wow. Wow. So the guy has something on it wrong. You know, the vehicle order could not be read from the vehicle. Import the vehicle order required. That means somebody screwed the car up, bro. Somebody replaced either the DME on this or the CAS unit. The CAS unit and the FRM does not have the same thing. Problem. The same thing is what he's saying here. See that? The DME is wrong VIN number and the EGS is wrong VIN number, and so on. Got the CAS unit here. It has the VIN number correct for the car chassis and also the FRM here. But because of these two things right here, the DME is wrong VIN and so on, it can't determine what chassis is it. That's a problem here. Alright, I'm gonna shut off Winkfpt. We don't have online access, and we do not put the exchange data carrier will be a USB with the vehicle order import on it. So we're gonna end the session right now. This guy's in trouble with this car, man. And these people think that they can buy used control modules and put it in it, and when you're gonna read out the car with Winkfpt, is gonna give you this bunch of problems. Okay, Probo, so we have a bit of problem here. The vehicle order could not be read from the car, okay? The vehicle order is usually written in the CAS unit and backed up in the FRM, okay? But because the DME doesn't have, because the DME is used, it's a different VIN number and the EGS. And that is a problem. There's no uniformity of the vehicle IDs in the EGS and also the DME, okay? And I'm going to try to use Winkfpt to flash the DME and see if it flashed it okay? And I'm going to try to update the VIN number in the EGS and see if Winkfpt can change the VIN number. Okay, buddy? Cool. Alright, we minimize that. And we look at the icon is free. It is free. But before that, we got to reserve it for Winkfpt. Okay, this job doesn't finish yet. We're going to try to run Winkfpt again. And we're going to try to update the we're going to try to update the EGS. We're going to update the EGS, alright? And we go to Winkfpt here. Winkfpt is located somewhere in the program data folder. Oh, damn. I never read out the part number for the EGS. Blam, 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 blam. Alright, this is the E70 here. We do not know the variant. And that's my weakness right now. I have to go back here and remove, I have to close, I can close Winkfpt. I have to close that. And I have to actually unreserve icon. Minimize that, and we have to run this to D. We have to run this to D again. We're gonna read out the card this time. We're gonna pick out the VIN numbers. I'm sorry, the part number for the EGS and the DME. All right. All right. The DME part number is 760 2220. Let us check again. 760 2220, and the variant is MSB 80. Come on. The next thing is the EGS. The EGS is called the variant GS19D. All right, and then we go here. The part number would be 7591 971. Am I correct? 759 1971. You look tricky fine. Let me look again. 19, yes. 759 1971. The VIN number is different in the EGS and as well as this one. So we're going to try to use Winkfpt to override them and see what played out. This model is not responding. Let me see what the FRM is saying here. The VIN numbers are the same in the FRM and in the CAS unit. We do not need to change them because we know that it is the same. Because we look at both of them here, FRM. The VIN number there, L20459. And that's the VIN number on it, the same thing. And the CAS right here, same thing. See that? Alright, so them all that, no big deal. So we save this file instead of losing it. Okay. What control model do we have to look at here? The VINs are different. Amplifier. Yeah, trailer model AHM, and it doesn't see show up here, and two control model doesn't respond. The rail light sense and the sign doesn't respond, but they are responding now. And there they are in green, and this, and that. Only this not responding, and these are unknown. You see the combo box meter is not responding, so we can close out this now. I'll try to use Winkfpt. Okay, it's clear. Minimize that. We click reserve. Woo! And we find the file for this is this to P here. So what we do now, we open the data folder and we look for the variant MSB 80 for the DME. A, B, C, D, blah, 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 blah. See that? That's a diesel. So I have to go here and look for, here's the MSB80 folder. We'll copy it and I put it right here over the EC ops where NFS is at. We'll make sure that the name is right. MSB80. And then we'll go for the GS19D. Should be somewhere right here. The variant name would be either be this. This is it here, GKE95. Let me look. The GS19. The transmission will be these GKE, GKE, GK33. This is the gear selector switch. You will not find EGS here. You only find the variant GS19D. So it will be called either be this. So what I gotta do right now, I have to look in the history for the part number. To make sure that this is the folder at hand, we have to look for the part number here, somewhere here, 760. Oh, 759. Oh, here's it right here, 759, 1972. So this is the one that's gonna be updated on the car. All right, this one, 759, 1972. Okay, but we're not certain yet, so we're going to go fishing some more. Okay, we're gonna go into the other one, this one, and here's the part number here, 759, 1971. So this is the folder we copied right here, this one. That has a part number that we need. Okay, we can also go into the other one and look if we see the same part number. As you can see, it's different. It's not there. It's not there. It's not also in this one, GK195. See, it's not there. It's different. So we come out of that. We go back here, and we can see it, 759, 1971 right there for the GS19D. So what we do, we copy this one. We paste it right there in the EC ops folder, in the NFS folder for Winkfpt. Okay. Then we can minimize these. And then we run Winkfpt, and then we oh, well, let me see if we reserve the icon here. Yeah, icon is reserved already, so we run this. Alrighty then. Let's see now. Just lose concentration on what I'm fucking doing. Maybe I'm too excited. What we do now, we click on comfort mode and we choose ZB number. And here's it. You see the part number? See what we're looking for here? The GKE215. And we're going to look for the part number. You see, it's not here really, but we're going to choose one of these part number. Nevertheless, we're going to choose one of these part numbers. We're going to choose one of these for the EGS. Okay, and this one here, as you can see, we choose this one, 759. They give us this one available. This part number, this ZB number, is going to replace this one. Right now, this one is on the control model. It's going to be replaced by this one here. As you can see, that this one here is 2380, and so on. Okay, this one is 1971. So we have the numbers here. The last 4 digits are greater than the last 4. So this one is 1971, the other one is 2380. Okay, so we select this and click OK, and then we enter the VIN number, and then we copy this like that. All right, and then we press done. Currently we can click on special, And we can read the UIF field to see what entry 1 states. Entry 1 show us that the VIN number in the module is this one. Okay, that one is in the EGS. So I'm gonna try to see if it overwrites it. If it does overwrite it, then the security feature prevents it from happening that way. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna save this. I'm gonna save this user info field. I'm gonna save this user info field. Come on, man, this guy internet all the way in Africa is fucking up now. Giving me stitches. Come on. There it goes. Internet connection has been lost. Okay, so I'm gonna call this remote or EGS ES19D, otherwise called what they call it again? GKE215 variant. That's the info field for that. Alright, if the VIN numbers are not changed in entry level 2 next, when you finish programming with Winkfpt, that simply means the BMW people are blocked doing that because the EGS is a security module like the CAS or the DME. Okay, so we close that and we click done. We'll click program. It said the user info field can still be programmed 61 times. Okay, so we click OK and go forward with it. We're doing this right here. We're doing this one. It's otherwise called. This is called otherwise GKE 215. Okay, so that's what it's called. So we go here the folder system. That's it, GKE 215. I said programming okay. It's finished programming okay, so I'm gonna click special. This is done too quick, alright? This sounds like it updated the ZB number to me, but as you can see here, the hardware number is the old one here at the bottom, and the assembly identification number, the latest one, is this one. Let us click read user info field and look at what changed. You see that? The VIN number in entry 1 is there for the EGS, it doesn't change it. And it's also there in entry 2, so it doesn't really change it. So if we scroll down, it shows that entry 3 is the same thing, no change. Okay, and oh wow, entry 4 show for that change. Wow, this is the part number in entry 4. This is what written to the car now, 7592380. I just hope that is true, man, because I'm gonna save this right here. Alright, I said I save that. I close that. So what I do right now, I can do the DME, but I can close out this. We can click done, and so on. Alright, we can diagnose. I will diagnose something here. ECU status. Let me read ECU status. Wow. Nothing changed. BMW order number 7572796 and the BMW order number for this one. Entries of ZIF backup. Oh damn, it's like the part number don't change, bro. Damn. It's like I come screwed. ECU identification. See that? The part number doesn't really override. Ooh. And it tells you the last time from the programming is this year. March of July or March of maybe the 7th of March 07. Ooh, doesn't really change anything. ECU internal temperature, let us read that out. Not supported. Then we click done. If I click special here and I go back here, ECU baud rates, let me click that. Or I can't read that from the file. In entry 2, it should show the change, but there's nothing changed there. Nothing. I don't like it. It sucks. Doesn't change anything. But I mean, running IMPA here. Shift key. I can't read out anything. IMPA is not set up properly here. The script files needed to be installed. Alright, we can click done. We're going to choose EB number. We're going for the DME now. We're going for this one and see if we can change the number in it. We're going for that one, 7602220. These part numbers are clearly higher. Part numbers. Let me see if I can carry this back out this way. Alright, so we are at the DME here. Part number is 760. Let's see if we find a 760. Here's one here. We can choose this one. We enter the VIN. Programs DB update. Let me see. Oh, there's a problem here. It's not founded. Okay, so we choose the other one. Comfort mode. Let us enter the part number. Let me see if I find it here. 7602220. Enter. It's not finding. This part number is not founded in the family. So let us say choose again. We choose that one, 7603364. We enter VIN. And we're done. Try a program and see what happens. Well, we wait. Okay, Probus is saying something. Sorry. No, too rough. Alan Kerr. I know that is spirit of Yahweh. Evil that is thinking evil spirit. Programming okay. Quick and special. Radio IF. Oh, the VIN number has been changed in DME. There's entry 2. Wow. This look superb. There's it entry 2. This is entry 1 of what the VIN number is. And this is the old part number. Alright. It seems like it changed for the DME, but it doesn't change for the EGS. Alright, that seems to work. So we're gonna shut off this. And then we're gonna I said there's no function for that at the moment, so we'll close that off. We can minimize that. We release the icon. Oh, the DME has to be coded with INCS expert. Okay. We close back the icon. We're gonna close by the icon. We're gonna lock it back. We have to code the DME now with the INCS expert. Oh, this is not set up properly, you know, because it's in German script. Oh boy, shit. Yeah, it's not set up properly. It's faulty. All right, no big deal. We release. We pause the video for now until vehicle details has been read out. That goes vehicle ID. Oh, the part number, the EGS does not change. You see that? It fell there. So let me see what's going on with the DME. Come on, damn it. The part number does not change either. 760 2220. It doesn't change. Wow, what an illusion. No say it was gonna change. I know it was not gonna change like that easy. I know that. I'm gonna click on fault codes. VTG coding faulty. No EGS coding. No DMA coding. Alright. I'm currently downloading. 2 minutes to go. I'm downloading BMW standard tools to install on this machine. There goes the VTG. VIN number changing it. You see that? The DME, the VIN number is changing it. And the EGS, the VIN number is changed. Ray! I did it! I changed the VIN number, the DME and the EGS with Winkfpt. I did it, man. And now DME, EGS, VSG has the VIN number changed. And their part numbers are updated as well. This is the part number I write 760 3364 for the DME in Winkfpt, and for the EGS 759 2380. And then in the VGSG, okay, there it goes. Let me save it. Let me save a copy of this print. Hello, Provost. Okay, are you looking on the screen? Please look on the screen. Okay, look in the IMPA, the user information field. You can see that the VIN numbers has been changed for the DME, the EGS, and the VGSG. The VGSG is the variant name for the VTG. Okay, look. And it shows you the date as well. I'm gonna try use NCS Expert now to code all three models, okay? Okay, cool. Because in yesterday it showed there is no coding data for the DME, the EGS, and the VTG. Okay, buddy? We can read out the errors. I mean, I can look at what the errors are. Five errors in the VTG and 3 errors in the EGS and DME. So I'm gonna clear error memory. Okay. So the error could not be cleared. Or the error cleared for EGS. But it did not clear for DME and VGS. The ECU sub-function not supported. Alright, no big deal. Let me see now. ID mode status. Programming status. Normal. Only this one is a problem here, the MRS. Multiple retrain system. Where is it? I don't see there. Oh, here's it. This is the part number. I'm gonna update this one. Address 01. Nine 116 5623. I need to know the variant. Shit. Well, let me look in info here. Let me look in the data folder for it. Let me see if MRS is here. Oh, no way. The MRS is not showed up here. MMM 70. It's not that. That's not it. I found the part number. I found the part number for the MRS. Right here. Alright, so what we do now, we maximize this. I want to open the file location for this ship. Well, let me click properties. I somehow just can't see the path. Oh yeah, here's it right here. Okay, okay, active crash safety module, ACSM2. Oh, it was that. That's what they call it. Okay. It's all the way at the beginning here. Right here. So we gotta copy this folder. Now we gotta end this right now. We're gonna run Winkfpt. No, the guy internet is acting up and shit. We're gonna click this. Oh, I didn't configure this. Let me configure this. Wow, it takes so long, man. Yeah. Wow, it takes so long. Hurry up, piece of crap. His internet is slowing down and shit. Now we choose enter ZB or choose ZB. And that is what we're going to choose here. The part number is 916-5623. And it's on address this one. That's the address it's on. And we're going to now click OK. Then we're going to try to enter the VIN number. We're going to try to let the VIN show up there, but it's not showing up. Control V paste. I just hope it doesn't fucking come from me. Oh, it's failed. So it said the IPO. Oh, it said not found. The IPO file not found. Oh, I didn't import the IPO. Oh shit, I didn't import the IPO files for I didn't import the IPO file. Come on, damn it, shit. Come on. IPO file will be here. Fucking stinking internet, man. They put it here. SG dot for E70. Oh, sorry. I was supposed to click here first. Control C. They will go by this side of the word press Control V. And they say, let us decide. Now 2014 files, 2019, 5 years difference, so we click all of them. Alright. Alrighty then, so we go back again and click comfort mode, choose EB. Default address should be this one, and then we do the same thing here. Let us see if we find the IPO file for it. Enter again. Alright, we have to copy the pin over because the clipboard have on it those files, IPO files, and then we go like that. Oh, it comes up with the same thing, coding, sequence, and description file. Not found are errors. Alright. Alright, I'll leave this here bug alone because the right file for it is not found in. Zusa member number 9165623, press enter, and there's it, find it. And we'll see if we get the same problem here. We'll enter the VIN. Okay, same thing. Error in this file. It's wrong run. It's wrong. So you know what? Let us close that. We're not gonna mess around with the airbag module. Alright, we can close these now and minimize that. We're gonna now run this NCS expert. Gonna choose load profile, dummy. Oh, in the meantime, we have to look at the .man file is there. Wow, the FA10B 10B following feature is invalid for FA $10B. Wicked, really? Wow, fucking FA is wrong on the cast. We can't do no much with this shit. Even the cast is shit. Choose the FRM and see what happened here. Same thing comes up. That enter FA. Check digit is E. $108. I don't know. That one would be. I'd have to go here. Vehicle details. I didn't save it. I can't believe this shit. I did not save vehicle details. Operations report must have the FA list. The FA optional codes. Here's 108. Here's it right here, $108. But I need to know which equipment this specifies here. Alright. I don't want to remove these, but vehicle order is not set right in this thing. Don't forget a proper vehicle order and import it. I just don't know the vehicle order for this shit. The vehicle order is not being read out. We close that. Come on, free up. Free. Okay. And 165623. That'll work. You don't need to update that shit. Alright. The DME not sure not change so. The VTG, the part number updated. And then again, we use this type of program that carries to come up with a mismatch of the central encoding key. The part number don't change in the EGS and it don't change in the DME. Wicked man. Yeah, here's 0108 is engine run and circuit. Wow, engine run on circuit. Wow. This is the problem I sent to Probus, is it right here? Invalid for the vehicle or the FAA. $sign 108. I don't know how that is in. It says invalid. Following feature is invalid for FAA. The $sign 108, it is telling you that the engine run and circuit is there, is an optional equipment. But I do not know how the blood cleat. The DME is different. Maybe I should take it out. Let me save a copy of this vehicle details. I did not save a copy of it. Oh yeah, you can do that, man. I just say you. We just buy that thing because we have a little money, and then just in case if some war break out, you can leave your son in a tent. Cause if war break out, the city get wiped out, fish for your house, you get fucked. So we just buy this land was here, so just in case if we here in the country, we don't even advance a nuclear weapon from them fuckers over the east, wipe out the fucking city. Cause the US government make too much enemy. Alright, these are the vehicle details. So the 108 right, so engine run and circuit, you see? Engine run and circuit. I already save a copy of this so we can end this now. Security plus. Engine run and circuit. This is not the FA at all. The VIN number different when the car sign. You can't even tell her which one to read out. The cast me read this out of the phone. Read out the FRM are the same thing. The DME have different VIN number. Bumbleclip it, yo. Tell her, yo, wicked. How we gonna solve them problem, man? So you can't mismatch ECU, you know. You have to truly follow what them say. Cause you mismatch ECU, them fuckery you get in a dog. I have reserve that boy. We'll go back into this again. NCS Expert. Load that profile. Choose NCS dummy. F1, F3, E70. You choose the cast now. Watch the same error come back. See there? Invalid for FA, this one. So I'm gonna try to remove it and see what happens. Calculate checksum. Click delete. Okay. Well, we said 146. Okay, let me write down what I want me delete. Go on. Anytime we use, yeah man. Alright, me delete, I delete. Alright, he said following NCS expert says invalid for FA or $108 and $146. Let me see which other one to come up with. Okay, that read out the whole thing good now. Faster that. They a party. Yeah, man. But the Babylon boy they go like same can't fuck with Jamaica. I'm to that you. I think they will play with police you. We not make no police boy violate the old boy. You see? When the Babylon violate you, we are slap out them skull out the road you. So tell us straight up, Babylon. No police boy violate. If I choose ECU to code. Oh wow, coding application interface 1000 failure. Wicked! Oh that. Let me shut this shit off again. And start again. Wow. Yes, it's reading because I didn't get to code it back. I didn't code the FA. Yes, I didn't do it. Shit. So it will be there. Whoa, wow. Whoa. It wicked. It wicked. Youth. It wicked. Blood clot. The FA fuck up bad. It didn't fuck it up my youth. This are all set. This are October of '07 when the car was released. So the build date. 108 or something on the circuit. Let me see if I can find it. So. Engine run and circuit. I wonder what this mean, man. I'll pause the video and go do some research online for it. Alright, okay, YouTubers. We can't do any more with the E70 here. There's a problem with it. He changed the DME and it's used. He said car starts and so on, but somehow when you read out the car vehicle order release, it comes up with the conflict that it can't read out the vehicle order. Because either the CAS unit and the FRM is corrupted or both control module does not show the same vehicle order, okay? So, end of this session for now. Alright, thank you, my subscribers, and have a nice day. Goodbye. I am out.